Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another video. Now today we're going to be disclosing exactly what OnlyFans is and how you can get started on it. But before we get into that, I'm just going to introduce myself very quickly out of respect for your time. My name is Ethan Bayliss and I run an OnlyFans growth agency based in the UK where we help creators like yourself gain financial independence through OnlyFans, and we work with some of the top UK OnlyFans models. But that concludes this little intro. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so now we have switched to this little slideshow. Let's get straight into it. So here's what we're going to cover. We're going to cover what is OnlyFans, why it's so popular, how does it actually work, how do you get started, and tips to get to the top 1% of creators. So what is OnlyFans? Well, OnlyFans was created in 2016 and is a subscription-based platform. Now, OnlyFans allows creators to upload NSFW video and photos behind the privacy of a paywall. Now, OnlyFans is a great opportunity for modern women, allowing them to control the distribution of their content while making an abundant income. Now, the reason OnlyFans is so popular is because it's in a massive surge of popularity in recent months, mainly due to the pandemic, and sex is always sold and it always will sell. And not only that, people are looking for more financial independence, but more people are stuck at home looking for sexual human interaction. So it's a perfect match of the two. Now, OnlyFans has been increasing in trendiness for the last few years, and it doesn't look like it's going to slow down anytime soon. And as we can see here, this is a Google Trends graph, and we can see that for the last year, it's been steadily increasing in popularity. So it's at an all-time high right now, and it's going to continue to increase. And yeah, it's just a very popular platform, and now is a perfect opportunity to get into it. So you may be asking, how does OnlyFans work? Well, OnlyFans functions on a subscription basis. So you need to pay to see the content on the paywall or behind the paywall. Now, OnlyFans allows for more interactive relationships with your followers, as well as they have the ability to private message you, as well as request for custom content. Now, in a nutshell, OnlyFans allows you to build sugar daddies at scale while keeping them engaged and active inside one platform. So it's a really powerful platform for the creator, where you can basically keep all your sugar daddies in one place, and then you can make custom content for them, and you can nurture them through the main feed of once they've subscribed to you, and then you can keep on nurturing relationships with them, and it's all in one localized place. So it's a great opportunity. So you may be asking, well, how do I actually get started on OnlyFans? Well, in order to get started, you need to head to OnlyFans sign up page, which will be linked in the description box below, and fill out any relevant details about yourself. You may have to provide a passport or ID identification, but once you've applied, it'll typically take 1 to 2 days for approval, and then after that, you can get started with posting your content. Now, here we've got tips to get to the top 1% of OnlyFans creators. Now, what I found with working with my models is that when starting off OnlyFans, you'll basically want to be consistent with creating content every day. Now, essentially, OnlyFans is a business, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So it's important to be consistent when you're uploading content. Otherwise, your subscribers will get bored and they'll go to subscribe to someone else. So you need to stay consistent with your upload schedule, creating content, and if you're messaging them as well, you need to stay consistent with that. Now, you're also going to want to market your content every day to different social media platforms. So the more social media platforms, the better. I always say the more eyeballs equals more money. So essentially, you want to get your content on as many social medias as possible. So Reddit, TikTok, Instagram. And you want to be doing marketing for a few hours every single day if you really want to scale your account to the top 1% of OnlyFans. And trust me, it's definitely worth it. Now, you also want to nurture your top performing fans. So like most things, you're going to have your top performing fans who pay you the most money. And it's important to keep track of this so you can focus more of your attention to the people who are actually paying you more money and the higher earners. So I like to talk about the 80-20 rule, where it's 20% of your fans will equate for 80% of your income through OnlyFans. So it's important to figure out who your top 20% of fans are, and then you put all your resources and effort into nurturing them, building relationships with them, and it's going to pay off in the long run. So I want to thank you for watching. It's just a quick little video, and I hope this has explained the opportunity with OnlyFans and why it's a great time to get started and how you can do so. So I'll see you guys in the next video.